In the next 10 seconds guide, learn how to fix time.windows.com not working. Press Windows plus R to open Run, type services.msc, and hit Enter. Locate Windows Time Service, right-click on it, and select Properties. Choose Automatic from the Startup Type drop-down menu. Click on Start under Service Status. Head to the Logon tab, select the Local System Account option, tick the checkbox for Allow this service to interact with desktop, and then click on OK to save the changes. Press Windows plus R to open Run, type Control in the text field, and click OK. Click on Clock and Region. Now, click on Date and Time. Navigate to the Internet Time tab and click on Change Settings. Choose a different server from the drop-down menu, click on Update Now, and then on OK. Again, click OK in the Date and Time box. Now, check if you can synchronize time without any trouble. Type Command Prompt in the search bar and click Run as administrator. Click Yes in the UAC prompt. Now, paste the following commands individually and hit Enter after each. netstop w32 time w32tm /unregister w32tm /register netstart w32 time w32tm /resync. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.